or on flight mode. May we please rise as we announce the arrival of the Administrator of River State, His Excellency, Vice Admiral.
It is with immense pleasure and a profound sense of shared purpose that I, on behalf of the National Institute for Policy and Strategic Studies, NIPS, Kuru, extend our warmest heartfelt commendations to the Rivers State government for this strategic and commendable initiative in convening a 4-day transformational leadership course for its esteemed permanent secretaries, directors, and local government administrators and key officials. The course theme, Transformational Leadership for Sustainable Development, could not be more timely in today's rapidly evolving global landscape. The imperative for visionary, agile, and effective leadership within the public sector is paramount, particularly in Nigeria's dynamic and complex governance environment. Permanent secretaries, directors, and administrators here present, and those of you at local government, you are indeed the linchpins in translating government policies into tangible programs and impactful services that cultivate public trust and drive inclusive, sustainable development. It is in this context that NIPS, as Nigeria's apex institution for policy research, dialogue, and leadership development, is deeply honored to collaborate with the Rivers State government. Our mandate, as enshrined in our Enabling Act, empowers us to conduct high-level courses for senior policymakers and executives. These programs are meticulously designed to broaden perspectives, enhance conceptual capacities, and ultimately elevate overall performance and service delivery. We are fully committed to bringing our wealth of experience and intellectual resources to bear on this important training. The Rivers State government's laudable commitment to sustainable economic growth, infrastructural renewal, and comprehensive social development inherently necessitates leadership excellence across all strata of its state and local government services. This transformational leadership course is therefore meticulously designed to bridge identified gaps and further equip our distinguished permanent secretaries and local government administrators with the requisite skills, contemporary strategies, and a forward-thinking mindset essential for navigating modern governance challenges. The curriculum thoughtfully incorporates special modules to deliver cutting-edge insights and practical tools on the subject matter. The delivery of this impactful curriculum will be facilitated by seasoned experts from NIPS, the Administrative Staff College of Nigeria, ASCON, and the Civility Leadership Institute, ensuring a rich blend of theoretical depth and practical application. I am confident that this significant investment in your leadership capacity will yield a substantial multiplying effect on governance outcomes, service delivery efficiency, and citizen satisfaction across the state. We earnestly encourage each participant to engage fully, share invaluable experiences, and embrace the abundant opportunities for profound reflection and personal growth. The journey of transformation begins with each of you, and its impact will undoubtedly ripple outwards, fortifying the entire public service machinery of Rivers State. Allow me to also express our profound gratitude to the government and good people of Rivers State for their unwavering commitment to human capital development and for enduring partnership with NIPS. This collaboration, which has seen many distinguished individuals from Rivers State participate in our flagship programs, is one we deeply cherish. NIPS will remain a steadfast partner, ready to engage strategically towards building a more prosperous Nigeria and Rivers State. On this note, sir, I want to extend my best wishes to all participants for a most productive, engaging, and genuinely transformative learning experience.
It is with great honor and deep sense of purpose that I welcome you to this transformational leadership training, a crucial step in our collective journey towards a more responsive, resilient, and people-oriented governance in Rivers State. Today marks the beginning of my third month as the administrator of Rivers State, following my appointment by His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Among several things I have done in the last 2 months, I have taken briefs, conducted inspections, visited local governments, and generally interacted with the state and local government bureaucracy. These interactions gave me the opportunity to access the competencies of the great men and women that have dedicated several years of their lives in service to Rivers State and its people. Having gone through that phase, I directed my team to work with the Office of the Head of Service to develop a training curricula centered around leadership, service, accountability, planning, crisis management, and communication. And that is what has culminated to the program we're about to commence shortly. Today, we gather not merely for another workshop, but for a moment of rededication, to reflect, to learn, and to reaffirm our shared responsibility to the people we serve. It is a program designed and specifically tailored to the specific individuals that have been carefully selected in this first phase of the training and retooling of the Rivers State Public Service for greater, effective, and more efficient service delivery. In these challenging times, when our institutions are called to do more with less, the imperative for continuous training and retraining cannot be overstated. In every profession, especially public service, stagnation is not an option. Lifelong learning is the lifeblood of effective leadership. To train is to adapt. To retrain is to grow. Without both, transformation remains a distant goal. Therefore, public service training will be the cornerstone of my short stint of the leadership of Rivers State. You, our senior bureaucrats, permanent secretaries, directors, local government administrators, heads of personnel of local governments are the engine room of government. Your actions, inactions, decisions, and leadership directly shape the lives and livelihood of our citizens. You are the medium through which government policies are conceived, communicated, and implemented. Your place in governance and leadership is often overstated, but I know better, and that is why we have taken this bold step to gather the quality of facilitators here present for the program. The diverse perspective these facilitators will bring to your learning will reflect distinct and practical experiences in both public and private sectors. It will broaden your minds to the possibilities and inherent strengths that we can draw from within when we apply ourselves and focus on that which is greater than self, the people we are called to serve. We face a rapidly changing world, rising citizens' expectations, fiscal pressures, and the complexity of governance today demand a new kind of leadership, one that is not competent and courageous, but collaborative, ethical, and visionary. This training designed to equip you with the tools and insights necessary to lead through complexity, champion reforms, strengthen local government autonomy, and deliver meaningful results to our communities. I urge you to embrace it fully with open minds and a clear commitment to translate learning into action. Our goal is not to simply improve systems, but to inspire a cultural shift within the public service towards excellence, accountability, innovation, and service above self. Let me assure you once again that this administration is fully committed to building strong institutions, promoting efficiency, and fostering a result-driven public service. We are laying the foundation for a new governance culture, one that will serve not just the present generation, but those coming behind us. That is how great societies are built. As co-stewards of this mission, I encourage us to see ourselves not merely as administrators, but as leaders of change who are sharing the future of Rivers State. I commend our colleagues in the Rivers State Civil Service and thank most sincerely facilitators from the National Institute of Policy and Strategic Studies, NIPS, ASCON, that's Administrative Staff College of Nigeria, and the Civility Institute for accepting to come to Port Harcourt, and all those who have worked tirelessly to bring this initiative to life. Their efforts speak to a shared vision of progress, professionalism, and purposeful leadership. Please, those of you visiting us should find time to enjoy the hospitality of Rivers State. On this note, and with great optimism, in the future we are building together, I hereby declare the transformational leadership training for permanent secretaries, local government administrators, and directors in Rivers State officially open. Thank you, and may God bless Rivers State and the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
In Bayelsa State, and has also held the position of a general manager. As we prove, very, very experienced speakers who have been lined up for this event.